Namaste, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to make masala biscuits using wheat flour. Ingredients for this are 200 grams of wheat flour, 1 spoon of pepper powder, half spoon of green chili finely chopped, 1 spoon of powdered sugar, 1 spoon of curry leaves finely chopped, grated ginger 1 spoon, 1 spoon of salt, half a spoon of baking powder, quarter spoon of baking soda, 100 grams of butter, water to mix the ingredients, mixing bowl. Here on the stove I have taken a kadai and added some salt. This is used salt, that is why the color is like this. Keep a ring or anything you are having, then a cup, so that my baking tray fit perfectly. Now we'll start the procedure. Now I have taken the butter in a bowl and I am going to add sugar powder, and we have to beat it for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that the butter will become very light. Upon beating, the butter will become very light. We'll next show the procedure. After continuously beating for 15 to 20 minutes, it will look like this, very light. See, it should be like this. Now it's time to add all the ingredients to it. Baking powder, baking soda, pepper powder, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped coriander,
curry leaves,
grated ginger, and salt to taste. Now we will add 200 grams of wheat flour to it and mix. We should be very gentle while mixing the wheat flour. We should not knead this flour. We have to use only fingers only. Should be very gentle. Never knead the biscuit batter or else it won't be nice. Just keep on mixing like this. It will become like a lump. In case you want, you can add just 1 or 2 spoons of water or milk. Now we will show the next procedure. Now at this stage it is requiring some water, moisture, so I am adding first 1 spoon of water. Let's mix and see if it is okay. Then I think it requires some more water. Now adding little by little water, make it a dough, and we will show the next thing. Now the biscuit dough is ready. See, it should be like this. If you cut, it should come easily. Now we will make small pedas of it. Now take small amount of mixture and make small pedas like this and keep. Take small amount of flour mixture and make small pedas like this. So you do all the flour same as it is, small pedas. By the time I make all the pedas, I will keep the kadai for the preheating. It should be preheated for 10 to 15 minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Let it preheat. We will close the kadai with another vessel. Let it preheat for 10 to 15 minutes. We will show the next procedure. See, now I have made all the biscuits shape, and you just make holes in the biscuits so that it will bake nicely. Take a fork and make holes like this. Now this kadai is get heated. Now put the flame on a sim one. I have taken a baking tray. I will put the biscuits in it. Then I will show next procedure. Now keep the biscuits like this. There should be gap between each biscuits. Now it's time to cover the kadai. You cover this like this and bake it on a low to medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Please check between the 15 to 20 minutes. You check after 10 minutes. Then you continue baking. Now after 20 minutes, biscuits will be ready to serve. Transparency. Now it's time to serve the biscuits. Now biscuits are ready to serve. Once it is cooled thoroughly, then you can store it in a airtight container. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.